After an incredible drive through Coorg, we finally arrived at one of its most famous attractions, Abbey Falls. Hidden deep within coffee plantations and lush forests, this waterfall is a must visit for anyone exploring Coorg. The journey to the falls is just as beautiful as the destination itself, with tall trees all around, the sound of birds, and the distant roar of flowing water growing louder with every step. The excitement keeps building. And here it is, Abbey Falls in all its glory. Watching the water cascade down the rocky cliffs, surrounded by dense greenery, is an experience that's both powerful and peaceful. Right in front of the falls stands the old suspension bridge. Though it's no longer open to visitors, it remains an iconic part of Abbey Falls and adds a unique character to this breathtaking landscape. From above, the true beauty of Abbey Falls comes to life. The waterfall cuts through the forest, creating a stunning contrast between the rushing white water and the endless shades of green. Looking beyond the falls, you can see why Coorg is called the Scotland of India. Endless forests, rolling hills, and untouched nature stretch as far as the eye can see. Abbey Falls is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a place where nature reminds you to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply enjoy the moment. And our Coorg adventure is only getting started, so stay tuned for the next destination.